This is a video tutorial for the Parentsquare app and text message alerts. How Parentsquare works. Normally, Parentsquare is an app for teachers to communicate with parents. But in this video tutorial, we're using Parentsquare as a way for the El Rancho Unified School District to share district-related news on Parentsquare to employees so that they receive, respond, sign up, and get text message alerts. That way, everyone has easy access to all interactions all in one place. You'll first need to go to the parentsquare.com website. There you'll see a sign in section, and you'll go to the bottom of that section where it says sign in with Google. You'll need to sign in with your district email account ending in erusd.org. Type in your password for your district email account and click on the blue button next. Once successfully signed into the Parentsquare app, an important thing to understand in this tutorial is that in order to receive instant text messages or instant Parentsquare app messages, you will need to turn on these notifications under the My Account settings. In step 1, you need to go to the upper right-hand corner where you should see your name listed there as signed in to the Parentsquare app. Once you click on your name, you'll see a drop-down menu where My Account is listed. Step 1, click on My Account. In step 2, you'll see off to the left-hand side in the My Account settings, there is a section called Settings and Notification Settings. Step 2, click on Notification Settings. In step 3, you should see notification settings listed for you as the employee. In the left-hand side, you'll see El Rancho Unified School District, and underneath that, you should see your district email as the staff member email and notification settings. All the way to the right-hand side of this screen, you should see a toggle on and off button. In step 3, you want to make sure that that button is switched to on, so that way you receive email and potentially text and app messages. Step 3, click on the on switch. Now, double check that once that on switch is on, that you may or may not have a phone number, specifically a cell phone number listed underneath your district email address. If you see a cell phone number there and it is the correct cell phone number, then all you need to do is just update the text settings to instant. If you do not, however, see a cell phone number there, then you will need to follow steps 4 through 10. Step 4, go to the top left-hand side of your screen and look for My Account, and underneath that, click Edit Account. Under the Edit Account screen, you will need to look for the area to add a cell phone number. In step 5, you'll need to see if that cell phone number is correct, and if not, you'll need to click the small blue letters Add. In step 5, click the Add button here. Once you click the Add Phone button, you'd want to type in the cell phone number that would be correct to you, including area code, and then click on the blue Next button. Step 6, add your phone number and click on the blue Next button. In step 7, you'll need to wait for a text to come into your cell phone number that gives you a code, a verification code texted to that number you just provided. It is a 6-digit or 6-character code from Aries Communication. You'll want to type that code into this screen so that it can be confirmed. In step 7, add the confirmation or the verification code and click the blue button, Confirm. Once your cell phone is confirmed, it should appear in the area of cell phone. You can edit this if you wish. Once confirmed and correct, click on the blue button, Save. Step 8, click the Save button. In step 9, we're just verifying that your cell phone number has been added. You go to the left-hand side under Settings and click on Notification Settings. And step 10, you'll see here that now the correct cell phone number is listed for underneath your email address. Again, in step 10, make sure that you set your settings to instant under the text settings area. You can repeat these steps once you download the Parentsquare app, as you can see in the green box there, that you can set app settings to instant or digest. Digest just means at the end of the day. We encourage all of our staff members to download the Parentsquare app today in order to stay involved with your employee learning and activities at El Rancho Unified School District from anywhere. Here are 2 QR codes for the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Thank you so much for learning how to add your text settings in the Parentsquare app in order to receive ERUSD text alerts.